Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 19th. Anne Boleyn executed 1536. On May 19, 1536, Anne Boleyn, the second wife of England's King Henry VIII, was executed at the Tower of London. She was accused of adultery, treason, and incest charges many believe were false. Her marriage to the king had caused a major religious shift in England, breaking from the Catholic Church, and was the mother of Elizabeth I, who would later become one of England's greatest monarchs. Despite her tragic end, her legacy lived on through her daughter. Her execution marked a turning point in English history. Malcolm X, born 1925. Civil rights leader Malcolm X was born on May 19, 1925, in Omaha, Nebraska. He became one of the most powerful voices in the fight against racial injustice in America. Known for his bold speeches, he encouraged black empowerment and self-defense. He was a key figure in the Nation of Islam before later founding his own organization. His views sparked both admiration and controversy. Malcolm X's legacy still influences discussions on race and equality today. T. Lawrence of Arabia dies 1935. T. Lawrence, famously known as Lawrence of Arabia, died on May 19, 1935, after a motorcycle accident. He was a British officer known for his role in the Arab Revolt during World War I. His adventures in the Middle East made him a legend. Lawrence was also a writer and a scholar, admired by many. His mysterious and daring life captured the imagination of the world. His story later inspired books and films. Oscar Wilde, released from prison 1897. Famous Irish writer Oscar Wilde was released from prison on May 19, 1897, after serving 2 years of hard labor. He had been jailed for gross indecency because of his relationship with another man, which was illegal at the time. Wilde's trial and imprisonment shocked Victorian society. After his release, he lived in exile and never fully recovered. His writings, like The Picture of Dorian Gray, gained more appreciation after his death. Today, Wilde is celebrated for his wit and bravery. Ataturk's landing marks Turkish independence movement 1919. On May 19, 1919, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk landed in Samsun, a city on the northern coast of Turkey. This marked the beginning of the Turkish War of Independence. Ataturk's arrival inspired resistance against occupying foreign forces after World War I. The date is now celebrated as Ataturk Memorial and Youth and Sports Day in Turkey. It honors both his leadership and the youth of the nation. This day holds great importance in Turkish history and identity. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.